First of all, ChatGPT is bae. Okay, like I don't know whose bright idea it was to create something like this. Now, it may end up taking over the world. We don't really know what's going to happen with it yet. But right now, like if you have not heard about ChatGPT, I don't know what you're doing, but I'm about to put you up on game. Because this thing right here is going to help a lot of business owners. It's going to help a lot of people in general. And this is the definition of working smarter and not working harder. So I'm going to try to keep this video real short because I could be long-winded. So we just going to hop into it. What is ChatGPT? So from my knowledge, ChatGPT is like artificial intelligence or AI, where you can basically use this. I don't even know if you would call it a software. I don't know what this is. It's a website, and you basically tell it what you want and it produces it for you in written format. Obviously, like there's the one that I'm going to be talking about specifically is written format. And man, do I have some things I want to share with you guys on how to use this as an entrepreneur, as a coach, as a content creator. We're going to hop into this. So I'm going to let you see my screen and I'm going to show you exactly like just some quick ways that you can start using this now for your business. Now, before I show the screen, just keep in mind that this is free. This is free 99. They do have a paid version, but everything that I'm going to show you today, you can do this free. Like I don't have a paid subscription for ChatGPT yet. So you need to come on here and play around with it, see what you can do with it. But let's hop in. Okay, so this is ChatGPT, and all I basically did, I mean, you can see like I've been playing with this for a little minute now, but basically with ChatGPT, you ask it what you want or you tell it what you want, and then the more detailed that you are, the better your result is going to be on here. So a couple things that I want to show you is that the very first thing that you can use this for is for research. Oh my God, for research. So market research, if you're about to step into a new category and you're curious of what type of video content you can create on that topic, you can do research on that. You can do research in industries that you're not familiar with. If you're trying to hit on a specific target that's in that industry, you can do research on that. I mean, like research for days. So that's the very first thing. So I'm going to show you a quick example of what that looks like if you wanted to do research. Let's say that I want to target someone who is a fitness coach. So I want to target entrepreneurs who are fitness coaches and create YouTube videos specifically teaching them how to grow their business. And I'm literally just pulling this out of my mind right now. What are some topics that they would find useful if they are in the beginning stages of their fitness business? All right, so I'm just asking a question. I'm gonna see what it comes up with. And as you can see, it's just giving me a whole list of different things that I could talk to them in reference to them being a fitness coach. So you can pause this to read it if you want, but you can see that it goes over all different types. And these are specifically, as a business coach, like helping them in reference to their fitness business. Now, let's say I wanted to break this up into YouTube videos, right? So I said I wanted to create YouTube videos. This is giving me like the foundational breakdown of things that they would need help with. Now I'm going to say use this information and give me 25 YouTube video topic ideas that I can create for them. And let's see what it comes up with. Boom, and it gives me a list. And this is very broad. Like I'm being very broad about this. If I want to be very specific, then I could be more specific. But you see how fast that this works? Like this, they produce 25 content ideas for me in like maybe 5 seconds tops. So this is working smarter and not working harder. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. So you can use this in whatever type of business that you have, whatever type of content creator you are, you can do this. Now, if I wanted to turn these into reels, so turn these topics into Instagram Reels ideas that I can create. I'm just curious, I haven't asked it this before. Let's see if it can come up with some. Boom, and now it's giving me Reels ideas that I can create for my social media. Like, this is amazing, right? I have to show you also with this. I'm gonna show you another one after it finishes because it's still like writing all of them. Okay, so after you do this, let's say that you're very organized like me and you're like, oh my God, I really like this. So I'm gonna have it turn these ideas into a grid format so that if I wanted to put this in on my Google Drive or my Google Docs or somewhere else just to showcase different things into like a content calendar, I can allow it to do that for me. So I'm gonna say, turn these ideas into grid format for a content calendar. Matter of fact, I'm gonna say 30-day content calendar, so that I can plug this into my social media content plan. And let's see, it should turn it into like an actual grid format for 30 days. Boom. That's one way for it to do it. I'm going to be even more specific the next time. So you see that it kind of did like a short grid, but what I want to do is turn this into a weekly format for 1 month. And then I'm gonna say, be sure to create this in a grid format. And let's see what it comes up now. So now it's breaking it up into each week, Monday through Sunday. So that way for the next 4 weeks, I know exactly what I can post to target this person who is a fitness coach. Like, this is amazing. This is really, really amazing that something like ChatGPT can create this for you. Another thing that you can use this for is for copy. So I have personally been using this for copy for my YouTube videos. So if I wanted to create a YouTube video on one of the topics that it mentioned at the top, let me just pick like a random one. Let's see, time management hacks for busy fitness coaches, right? So let's say I want to use that. I'm going to say, I need a description for my YouTube video teaching fitness coaches time management hacks. Be sure to include SEO keywords that will help this video rank in search. And let's see what it comes up with. And now I don't have to create descriptions for my YouTube videos. You can even do this for like your Instagram posts and things like that. Now, one thing that I have done is I make sure to include my brand voice. So basically how you do that is you plug in some content that you've already produced on your platform that you feel really highlights how you talk to your audience. And you tell them that in the future, I want you to use these types of posts, like how I talk in these posts, to create future posts for me whenever I ask you to produce content. And then it will produce the content as if you're the one talking based on the things that you've given them. So that's another like little quick tip. But I want to keep this short. I wanted to show you just some powerful tools that you can use with ChatGPT. I'm going to do a few more videos on ChatGPT because, like I said, it's BAE. Okay, like I was so excited about this, but I hope that this was helpful for you. I will plug ChatGPT, like the direct link in the comment section, so that way you can like just click on that and I'll pin it. But let me know if you have been using ChatGPT for your business. What other ways have you found that this software or this website has been helpful for your business? I would love to hear from you guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.